Hmm. Okay, I guess I'll make it. Hey guys, so as you already know that what I'm going to do in this video, in this tutorial, so I was told to make a video about basic coding. So let's do this. So I have made tutorials on three languages till now, and from those I choose these two, Python and Java. So for HTML, basic coding is not HTML. I mean, Java is also something not basic. It is some high level language. Wait, not high level language, but still, it is not that much basic. But still, before learning HTML, I would suggest you to learn Java and Python. So, if you guys are thinking that Java is a pretty difficult language, then let me tell you that no, Java is an easy language. So, I started Java in my sixth class. No, in my fifth class. In sixth class, I started HTML. So in my fifth class, I started Java, and it is pretty easy language. So first, we shall continue with Java because I like this. So I'm using online compilers because I don't like to open BlueJ and PyCharm. My laptop is pretty slow. So class. Okay, class Codiomatic. So this thing automatically does this, and I remove this. We will, yeah, may put this afterwards. So first of all, in Java you need to do this. So you need to specify the class name, and the class name just see my first Java tutorial, you will understand everything. So first you will need to write the class name, which is this Codiomatic, and then you need to open the body of class. So for opening bodies we use this curly bracket, and then downside you need to write the main method. So main method simply it starts the execution of the program. So main method is like this: public static void main, and then we write string args. Why is this main not colored? Okay. uh, Done. So this is the main method. You should remember this if you do coding in Java. This is a very important line. Without this your program will not run. And this is the first line, of course. And I think I should write comments. Comments are not important, but still let's write them. Okay. This is a great comment, right? This is a great comment for this program, and uh, it resembles the video also, right? Because I'm a fool. I'm a pretty big fool. So now we open the body of main method. So whatever happens inside this main method will be the body of our program. Okay, it's as simple as that. I need to know this. We will write that afterwards. So for the first tutorial, I mean for the basic coding, I'm only going to print something. So for printing we use this thing. This is system.out.println. This is I should say the print statement in Java. In Python it is print, but Java is pretty advanced language. Not, I'm not saying that it is not easy, I'm saying it's advanced. So we need to type a real big statement for the system.out.println. So this basically, it will bring whatever you type in here, it will bring it here in the result. Okay, so you need to type it in double inverted commas. So Who said I'm a fool, right? I'm not a fool. I was never a fool. Then we close the body of main method, then we close the body of class. So this is it. It's very easy. Now let me run this up. Okay, so instead of class I should write public class. It's not important, but I'm using online compiler, so I don't know, maybe it is important in online compilers. Come on, I forgot the semicolon. See, I'm not a coder at all. I don't know how I forgot the semicolon, but still. Hello, I'm a fool. Yay! I mean, I'm not a fool. Okay, so sorry for the mistakes. I don't know why I forgot the semicolon. I really don't know why I forgot the semicolon. I never forget this thing. Everything, I mean, every Java statement in the main method needs a semicolon at the last to break the statement. Okay, so remember this thing. I don't know why I forgot. So it printed it. I don't know why it printed this thing also, but it printed it. Okay, so now the video is 6 minutes already, so let's jump to Python tutorial. So this is the basic coding for Java. Then let's go to Python tutorial. So Python tutorial is a, I should say, very easy one. You just type this and then you, but why is it like this? Oh, I see. I should change it to double inverted commas. That would be better. Done. Now run and see that. I mean, Python is the easiest language of all. If you ask me now, it is the easiest language of all. So it printed it. Simple, as simple as that. Hello, I'm not a fool. I was never a fool. Okay, we only need to type print, and in Java we need to type a whole big code, including the class name, main method, and then system.out.println and such a big line. Here we only need to write print. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So the video is not going to be so short. The Java tutorial took 6 minutes. This should take at least 4 minutes. So it took 1.5 minutes already. I don't know why my videos are sped up so much. Uh, Now what should we do instead of this? The second thing I want to tell you is adding variables. So for adding variables, we need to type a, the name of the variable. So a equals 2, and then a equals int a. So this actually it specifies that the variable is of int value. Okay, then we write prints to print the value of it. Now a variable. Now the thing to notice is we don't use double inverted commas here, otherwise it will display, you know what, it will display simply this. See, we don't want this to be displayed, we wanted this to be displayed to the value. So that's why we don't use in double inverted commas or single inverted commas. Now let's run it. Here it is, 2. As we declared the variable, it came the value 2. Now the next thing uh, to focus in this basic coding tutorial is how to add how to take input as our variables. So I told that already in my first tutorial, so no problem. This video is a basic coding tutorial, so I'm covering all the things up. So for that we need to type the name of the variable equals input. It's that simple. Then we will print the value of a. So this is it. Type the name of the variable, type equals input, and print a. Let's run. uh, oh, What the heck? Wait. What happened? I'll just see it. Okay. I need to give a prompt. Done. Let's run it. Any number 2. Hello. Is this tutorial some kind of joke? Wait. Online Python compiler. I don't know why it's not working. It should work. Let's go with tutorial sprint. So it gives a hello world message, but I don't need that. So let's try it here. A equals input and then print hello, enter any number please, then we will write print a print a. Execute. You know what, I need to give a prompt for this. Hello, enter any number please, then print a. Let's try. E of error. Why is it happening like this? Maybe I should write input equals a. I don't think it will work like that, but still. Now it gives another thing. Okay, no problem. This is it for this tutorial. I don't know how I did it, but this is giving an error. I don't know why. So wait, I cannot lose like that. Okay, this is it for tutorial, and next video will come maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. And for today, that's it. Thanks. Bye bye.